Do you want to know how you can change your name in v.io? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your name in v.io. Go ahead and open v.io on your Chrome OS browser and then click on your profile and click on account settings. You can see name. Tap on the pen icon. Remove your name, and then you can see the name over here. Tap on your name or write down your name. After you write down your name, click save, and you can see that your name has been changed. If you reload the page, you can see that your name over here will change as well. So all you need to do is click on your profile and click on account settings. After you click on account settings, you can see name. Tap on the pen button, write down your name of choice, and then click save. This way, your name will be changed on your v.io account. You can see that if you click here, your name has been now changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.